Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the coils in an LG portable air conditioner. First thing you want to do is find all the screws and remove them. So there's 3 on each side. And then you have some on the back as well, right there, and a couple there. So you're going to remove all them. Some of them have a little rubber case on them, or a cover. Just use a flat edge screwdriver. There's a little rubber thing like that. Alright, so now the whole back will come right off for you. So there's this little tab right here, you just want to lift it up over top of that. That'll now give you access to both your coils. Usually the top one, it's common for it to be clean because you have a filter over it. The bottom one is usually the issue. So we're just going to use our vacuum and we're going to start vacuuming that off. Alright folks, so now that that's all vacuumed off and pretty clean, I like the way that looks now, but if you want to take it a step further, you can use a chemical such as this one. I'll put a link in the description. It's a chemical specifically made for air conditioner coils, and you just follow the directions and spray it on, leave it, and then use some water to wipe it down and rinse it. But like I said, this is good enough. It's not too dirty, it was mostly on the surface, so we're just going to start putting it back together. So all you have to do is place your case back on and put your screws back in. I like to put them at the top here, just on the side though. That just holds it into place. Alright, and then if you have your rubber caps, just put them on. It doesn't matter on this one because they don't all match. Then next what we're going to do is take off our filter here. And we're just going to vacuum it out. Place the filter back in. Alright, so now that that's back in, place the filter back on. Then you're good to go. That's all there is to it, folks. Nice and simple. If you do that every couple of years, should be running nice and smooth. As always, hopefully you found this helpful, and please like and subscribe.